Guys, maybe in the part 1 I will edit it. I will cut it because it was 19 minutes already, in which I can only upload up to 15 minutes. So I can't upload that 19 minutes, so I need to cut off. I think the last part I talk a lot in that part, but I don't know. I just realized that would be 15 minutes already, but it was already 19 minutes. So I will cut that, some of it. I will shorten it to 15 minutes. So I just passed by down there. I think that is not, you will not see that trail, the flat trail. Maybe, let's say, negative 10 meters. So this is still uphill. Whew. Let's go this way. My throat really hurts. Though my heartbeat or my stomach, I feel comfortable jogging uphill, but my my lower parts hurt and I jog. We are now on the, what do you call this? Foggy forest. Trees that are growing here are not pine trees. I don't know what kind of trees are these. They are different to one another. There are many kind of trees growing here. So in this part, seldomly the pine trees grow in this area seldomly. So they don't, there's a certain area where they don't grow. I don't know, but in this area it is good for them because the soil here is more fertile, and it has more water. We have more resources on water, but I don't know why most pine trees don't grow on area like this, full of another kind of pine trees. So actually my plan was to go here and check some what do you call this, my eyes hurt, some mushrooms on the trail, but we only got 2 mushrooms. Maybe the person who comes here first is the one who already got the mushrooms that have grown there. So honestly, this is the water. This is water. I don't know if you can see water there, but it has a water. It is drinkable because those are the plastics for drinking. These are the plastics, but I think that is already in the past few years. So today there's no person who came here and put a new plastic there for drinking. Actually, we went on the shortcut because up there we only go there and then we go here, but I think we need to go there first, then go there, for us to check if there are more possible mushrooms there. Although I saw some mushrooms that are the same with these mushrooms down there, but some of them are already starting to decompose, and yeah, it's not quality. Who am I to judge the way they grow? But when we say it on why did I not pick it, or I will just answer you on, I think the best way to explain is the quality. Although we are not comparing it because we are just harvesting it. We did not plant it. It just grow on their own. But yeah, if I have to describe it on for you to understand, it would be quality, more on quality. Actually, there's a trap there. This is the trap. It has a nylon, but it was cut off. I don't know. It's just that that trail up there and this trail is also the trail for carabaos and cows. There's another one here, but I don't see the stick. There's also there, the trap there, but I don't see the stick. I didn't notice the stick and nylon there. I can't find, but the trail that they put the trap, I can see it. So I think there's someone that was trapped here, because look at those bones. I don't know if this is a dog. I don't know. It has a very big head.